Hey everybody, HD Shaves back here with another video. Today I'd like to talk to you about Noble Otter 2 King soap. I picked this soap up a number of months ago here at my local shaving store, and I've just gotten around to using it this week. It's a really great soap base, and the scent itself is kind of a dark floral, if you will. Yeah, it's really nice. And this is what the soap looks like. It's pretty soft. To read to you some of the scent notes, it's got black currant, citrus, jasmine, lily of the valley, rose, carnation, incense, oud, sandalwood, and oak moss. For me, I get a lot of the jasmine, rose, incense, maybe a little bit of the sandalwood too. But it's a really nice, masculine floral scent, and I think that's why Cody put those 2 kings on there, right? So we're also going to be using today my Mozingo Brushworks handle with this 26 millimeter Maggard Timberwolf knot. I've been using this brush too. This is what Brett Mozingo calls his Blizzard. I really like this handle. I think it's practical to hold, even though it's, not that big of a brush by any means, but it's got these little notches here which make it easy to grab. So I'm gonna wet my face and get this brush loaded up. Okay, we're back. So after starting with a pretty damp brush and loading for about 20 seconds out of my loading bowl here, this is kind of what we got on the brush. So it's real sudsy, but Noble Otter's, it's a pretty thirsty soap base, and I found that starting with a pretty wet brush and then just kind of working it in slowly to get out the bubbles, that has worked for me pretty well. So I'm just gonna start doing the face lather now. Okay, so we're all lathered up here, and we're gonna start with our first with the grain pass. And as usual, using my Christopher Bradley Karve brass, trying the solid bar C plate again this week just to see how that felt for me. So here we go. Okay, first pass done. Let's rinse and do second pass now. Loading up for the second pass here. Okay, second pass across the grain here. Just gonna go back and hit a couple spots under my neck for a touch up here. It's usually always on my jaw and on my neck. That there's some spots that are just hard to get into goes, but don't need the third pass altogether. Just kind of do a little cleanup here. All right, that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the final rinse and then do the post shape. Okay, so for the post shape today, we're gonna be using the matching splash by Otter. It's your pretty typical splash, alcohol-based. So I'm just gonna put out a few drops here. Don't need too much, that's plenty. Rub it in here. What a nice scent. I think on the splash I get even more of the rose, if that's possible, because it's already so much rose in the soap. But that's a really nice scent combination on both the soap and the splash, because sometimes they do vary a little bit. And yeah, overall shape is pretty good. 2 passes and then a little cleanup. Didn't feel any stinging at all from the alcohol. Probably because I only went 2 passes. If I went a third, maybe I would have felt it more. But overall, I think that was a quite nice shave. So, final rundown. Got the Mozingo Brushworks Maggard 26mm Timberwolf knot. Always did a good job holding lather in. There was plenty for more passes, and you know, the way it lets off water when you needed to, but holds the water when you also needed to is quite nice. And then, of course, the 2 King set from Otter. It's been great to use this for the past few shaves. And then, of course, the trusty Karve Christopher Bradley. So I think that's all for this time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Thanks.